Hi everyone, this is Salman. Today I'm going to talk about how to know your talent. If you really want to know it, what is your talent? So do not skip this video and watch this video till the end. And before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do subscribe it so that you can be able to receive my every upcoming videos. Talent is inside of you. It needs to be recognized only by you. It cannot be acquired by any means of medical resources or physical therapy. Talent is a gift to you from God. Having said that, you can snatch my wealth, but not my talent. Talent has a very simple definition that whatever you do by your heart and you do not feel it as you are doing very lots of job and you are getting bored and you are getting tired by it. Talent involves you to do the job for a long time. So let's take some example. Number one, if someone says, I am good at speaking, I can speak for hours and hours. Whether there is one pupil or thousands of pupils, I can speak to them in the same time and I can convince them about whatever I'm saying. Number two, if someone says, I'm very curious about the technologies, whichever technology is coming on in market, I am the first who is going to read out its specification and to let the people know about the technology. Number three, if someone says, I am very good at writing paragraphs, I can write 10 paragraphs at the same time. That means they are frame of talent. If you see, your interest indicates your talent. There are about millions of people having not realization about their talent and they are looking for their luck. If you really want to know your talent, then I have a very simple tip for you. And that tip is, ask your friends, loved ones, that what is the most attractable thing in you. That is, whenever you do that thing with them, they enjoy that moment with you most. And ask the same question with yourself. So, if you think you are talented at something, then try to practice it thousands and thousands times so that it becomes your recognition. And believe me, when you will polish your talent as an apple, so this world will come after you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and thank you for watching this video.